that poem continues. It continues. Now we at number 5. Number 5. Number 5 says, Len bezwen pouvoi, se mwen vle kon moi. Len fin gen victoire, m'toune depo toi. Len bezwen pouvoi, se mwen vle kon moi. Len fin gen victoire, m'toune depo toi. Now let's translate this. Len bezwen pouvoi, when you need power, se mwen vle kom voix. I'm the one you want as your voice. Len fin gen victoire, when you done having your victory, m'toune depo toi. You treat me like trash. Now we go with number 6. Se mwen k la kay mwen. Se mwen douwe genyen. San mwen ou tap bebe. Bagay tout pep la we. We say it again. Se mwen k la kay mwen. Se mwen douwe genyen. San mwen ou tap bebe. Bagay tout pep la we. Now let's translate that in English for it. Se mwen k la kay mwen. I'm the one who is home. Se mwen douwe genyen. I'm the one who needs to win. Someone ou tap bebe. Without me, you'd be mute. Bagay tout pep la we. Something the whole nation see. That's it. Now, this is the poem. In that poem, what I see is the misery, the history of the Haitian Creole. That's what it is. We're going to have some questions for you. Be ready to answer the next questions coming up. Next slide. Let's go there.